We are here again, Mrs. Bhargo, your math teacher, to teach you the maths chapter 1, part 4. Till now, we have learned smaller, greater numbers, successor, predecessors, and how we are making the numbers, different kinds of numbers, rearranging the numbers, all these things we have learned. Now, we will start with large numbers and how they are read and how they are written, and what are the systems of writing the numerals. Now, वी ऑफन कम अक्रॉस लार्ज नंबर्स इन आर रियल लाइफ. हम लोग अक्सर देखते हैं कि हमारे जहाँ हमने लिखा कि 20 crores पीपल वेयर देयर इन village. So this way 27,000 trees were there in a forest, and 80,000 trees were planted, 8,891 trees were planted, about 2 lakhs spectators were there in the stadium. This way we are giving the datas, but how we should write them, reading and writing is a task that everyone should know. Now you should know there are two systems of reading and writing numbers. One is known as Indian system of numeration, and the other is the international system of numeration. In Indian system and international system of numeration, first 5 digits are written as it is in both the systems. There are 2 periods in both the systems for first 5 digits, ones and thousands, and they are more or less similar to that. Then comes the difference in them. In Indian system of numeration, in order to read and write large numbers in the Indian system of numeration, we group place values into periods or groups like ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, arabs. So these are the different periods how we are denoting: ones, then thousand, then lakhs, then crores, then arabs. Likewise we are denoting the numbers. So when we start with ones, in ones period there are 3 places: ones, tens and hundred. Similarly, in thousands period, means 1000 is a period, there are 2 places only: 10,000 and 1000. In lakhs period there are again 2 places, they are lakhs and 10 lakhs. Similarly, crores and arabs. So here one table is shown in your worksheet also and in your book also. This worksheet table will help you to understand what are the periods and what are the place values, and how the digits are increasing one after the other. Like from ones, 1 digit increase, that becomes tens. From tens, 1 more digit increase, then it becomes hundreds. Then from hundreds, 1 more digit increase, it becomes the 1000 or 1000 value. Means place value, with the one addition of place value, 1 digit increases, and so on. This will continue. In this system, how you write, main thing is that how you should write. First comma after the hundreds place comes, and then after every 2 digits. अब आप इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से समझ सकते हैं. That is given in the worksheet. That is 6 crore 48 lakhs 47,209. So after 100 place, the first comma is there. Then after 2 digits 47, the comma is there, and then after 2 digits the comma is there. So this way the comma are written. Then such numerals you should practice to write. You should write how you can write in words and how you can write in numbers. So in order to read numbers in the international system of numeration, we use ones, thousands, millions, billions and trillions as periods. जब हम इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में बढ़ते हैं, तो here again first period is ones, second period is thousands, and third period is millions, then billions, and then trillions and so on. इस तरह से हमारा, एंड फ्रॉम वन प्लेस, वन से आप टेंस में आते हैं तो इट बिकम्स 2 डिजिट नंबर. टेंस से आप 100 में आते हैं तो इट बिकम्स 3 डिजिट नंबर. 100 से आप 1000 प्लेस पे आते हैं तो इट बिकम्स 4 डिजिट नंबर. सिमिलरली 1000 to 10,000 5 digit number. Then 10,000 to 100,000 it becomes the 6 digit number. And then when we come to the million, then it becomes 7 digit, then 10 million it becomes the 8 digit, and 100 million it becomes the 9 digit, so and so on. The values increases with the place values. So these digits increases. Now you should know how to write it. In the international system, comma is placed after 3 places, starting from the राइट मोस्ट डिजिट से कॉमा हम लगाते हैं, जैसे हम इंडियन सिस्टम में लगाते थे तीन डिजिट के बाद, उसी तरह से सेम प्रोसेस यहाँ हम अडॉप्ट करते हैं. आफ्टर 3 डिजिट वी आर पुटिंग द कॉमा, बट देयर आफ्टर अगेन आफ्टर 3 डिजिट्स वी विल पुट द कॉमा. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द rightmost digit and then we move on towards the left. After every 3 digit we will put on the comma. So this is how we are writing. One example is given in your book and one I have also given in your worksheet. This way you can do it. So you should know how to write, and reading and writing the large numbers. So this is we have talked about. Now you should know the difference between the two, and in one more thing you should know also, that when it is asked find out their place values, so as per this Indian system or as per the international system we can find out the place values similarly as we have done earlier. जैसे हमने पहले किया था उसी तरह से हम करते हैं. सिर्फ डिफरेंस क्या होता है कि हम एक्सट्रीम राइट से स्टार्ट करते हैं इंडियन सिस्टम में. आफ्टर 3 डिजिट्स वी विल पुट द कॉमा, and here the number one by one increases and the name increases. So this is all about that. Now I am giving you some questions in the sheet. I hope you can understand and you can do. Like first question is regarding the conversion. So how many digits will be there in crores? So how many thousands will be there? So that you have to write. In 1 crore, how many crore is a Indian system. So in that you will find out in a international system how many thousands will be there. Similarly, we have given some more questions. Do it and try to solve it, and then we will see it later.